Trademarks like words, names, symbols, sounds, colors that distinguish goods and services produced or provided by a specific person or enterprise. Usually, they are used for brand recognition. They can apply to services, goods, etc., and allow distinctions to be made between different companies. A trademark can be used as a marketing tool so that customers can recognize the product of a particular company. For example, if I tell you, of which product do you think immediately when I tell you curved glass bottle, you would automatically think of the Coca-Cola bottle, because this design has become like very linked in our minds to Coca-Cola. So it represents the product. For example, when I say BMW or Nike, what products you will think of? You will definitely think of a car and sports outfit, shoes, etc. Because this brand name has become very linked to the product that it represents. So basically, trademark protection ensures that the owners of marks have the exclusive right to use them to identify goods or services, or to authorize others to use them in return for payments. So, what kind of trademarks can be registered? Trademarks can be either a word or a combination of words, letters and numerals. They can be drawings, they can be symbols, they can be 3D signs, like the shape and packaging of goods. In some countries where there is a technological advancement, they can be holograms, motion, color, non-visible sounds, etc. that can represent your product, that can be with time linked to your product. What does a trademark do? So we spoke a bit about it. Once you have a trademark for your product, let's say, it provides protection to the owner of the mark by ensuring the exclusive right to use it to identify goods or services. It's a very simple idea. It's a very basic idea in the business. Nobody can use the BMW logo except BMW, or to authorize another to use it in return for payment. So basically, in this case, somebody else can use the BM logo if somebody is authorized by BMW to use this logo in return for payment. This is licensing, for example, or subcontracting. Second point, the period of protection varies, but a trademark can be renewed on payment of corresponding fees. And in this case as well, you should go back to your local legislation to see the period of protection, how long it is. Trademark protection is enforced by the courts, which in most systems have the authority to block trademark infringement. So nobody can aggress your mark. It's your own property and you have the protection in front of courts. Trademark protection also hinders the effort of unfair competitors, such as counterfeiters, to use similar distinctive signs to market inferior or different products or services. This is very clear. In today's competitive global marketplace, branding often becomes the most important aspect of a business or an organization. What can be registered? A name like Gillette, a logo like Nike, a slogan, a color, a sound, a domain name. This is the domain name is the most simple registration you have. Like you go to sites that provide domain names, you purchase a name, and this website will protect it. It will not sell it to somebody else, so it will become yours. Advantages of registration of trademark: it provides proof of ownership, so it's yours, it's in your name. It allows you to flag infringement. It prevents others from adopting a similar trademark. It makes the third point will make you unique. And the fourth point, it makes licensing your products and services easier.